Everybody, it's Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations, and we're gonna make some elevated ramen with hoisin and mixed vegetables. See this flavor packet that comes with everything? Comes with these noodles. You can just throw that away. Don't need it. We got our ramen noodles and we got some homemade chicken stock, and we're gonna get that in a pan and get that boiling, and then we'll throw in our noodles to get that ready. And then we're gonna go ahead, and I've got a heated pan here too, and we're gonna go ahead and get our vegetables in there. I've got mushroom, pepper, bok choy, and some carrot. Go ahead and give that a stir. We'll let those cook down here and get our flavors all building here, and we'll get our broth going. Okay, our vegetables are continuing to saute here, and they're smelling really good and nice. Alright, I'm going to go ahead, now that we got these going pretty good, we're going to go ahead and add some soy sauce. Dribble a little bit on the counter, on the stovetop. Add like a little bit of hoisin for some sweet. That's like a Asian barbecue sauce. Let that continue. I'm gonna reduce the heat on it. Okay, and we're gonna add our ramen to the boiling stock. Like I said, I already killed the vegetables, the heat on that. So we'll just let them chill to the side here. And we'll have our ramen noodles here very soon. And you can see our noodles are rumbling away here, so they should be done here any time now. Just giving them a stir. Go ahead and check these out. The nice sauce and vegetable. Man, that looks good. Okay, so these have all cooked here. We can go ahead and add that to a bowl here. So we got that in a bowl. And then we can go ahead and add our vegetables. And sauce there. Oh, straggler. But there you go. We're gonna put some chive. I like chive, right? So we'll go ahead and add that. And there you have it. Ramen with hoisin sauce and mixed vegetables.